Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Notes Wali. In this video, I am back with the notes of class 10th Geography chapter number 3, that is water resources. The link for accessing the PDF is available in the description box, and moreover, I have also made a video on the important maps of the class 10th social science. You must also watch that. So let's have a look at main concepts of the chapter. Firstly, we will look at some facts and figures related to water that 96.5% of the total volume of world water is estimated to exist as oceans, and only 2.5% is present as fresh water, and nearly 70% of fresh water occurs as ice sheets and glaciers, and 30% as groundwater. India receives nearly 4% of the total rainfall of the world and ranks 133 in terms of water availability. The next topic is to find the solution for water scarcity and the need for water, and we will talk about conservation and management of water in it, and here seasonal and annual precipitation measures will be seen. We will also look at the major factors which are depleting the water very fastly, and again the reason are rapid industrialization and urbanization. Overexploitation, large population and mismanagement of water resources also contribute to water scarcity. The next is multi-purpose river projects and integrated water resource management. Firstly, we will look at dams here, and this often comes in exams as MCQs, that who called the dams as the temples of modern world, and the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the former Prime Minister of India. You have to remember here the definition of dam, multi-purposes of dam, and some of its shortcomings or disadvantages. Then we come to the rainwater harvesting, and it is very environmental friendly, and nowadays in trend. Almost all the structures nowadays construct this rainwater harvester. There's one mark question from rainwater harvesting, that is, which state of India has made rainwater harvester compulsory in all of its houses and building structures, and the answer is Tamil Nadu. And the last topic of this chapter is how to collect the rainwater. And if you don't have any professional rainwater harvester, you can yourself collect the rainwater using the traditional methods or homemade tools, that is using a PVC pipe, then filter it using sand and bricks, and underground pipe takes the water to some for immediate usage. You can also use the water immediately, or you can store it for future use. Otherwise, if you are not going to collect it, you can store it as groundwater and let it seep to the ground, and it will maintain the fertility of the ground and the groundwater level. So friends, that's all for this chapter, and we will meet very soon with the notes of chapter number 4, that is agriculture. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.